Undu umwe turite na ngucanio thutha wa mugomo wa marigitari guthira ni kana ni magirirwo ni kurihwo mishara ya thiku igana rimwe iria matarutire wira kana SHA.
They don't have the rents, they can't pay the rents of their houses, they can't afford the transport.
Na nginyagia riu kuri matari mariho undu uri urarehe ngucanio njeru.
Because as we speak now, I feel, and personally, the doctors are also patient. They are unable to even buy food for themselves. So there's a need and there's an urgency for the county governments to release money for the doctors.
Marua mandikitwo kuri mwandiki wa kaunti ya Nakuru ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arigitani bururi-ini gicigo gia South Rift Dav Jatela maretie mucemanio wa naihenya wa kwariria maundu matiganite ta marihi ma mishara na nyongerera kwambatirio kwa madaraka kuri arigitani na gutamburwo gwa kiama tario kirarugamirira arigitani.
And as per the union, we've written to the governors of the 6 counties of South Rift asking for a consultative meeting on how we're going to pay the salaries to allow for doctors, as per the return to work formula, to allow doctors to be able to do their job.
Ishigo iria ihutitio muno ni Nakuru, Kajiado, Laikipia, Narok na Kericho.
And because of the commitments that doctors have here and there, most of the doctors ended up with negative pay slips. We've had a consultative meeting with doctors, and all the doctors are willing to be at work and willing to work. But the problem is that they don't have the means and the ability.
Oigete thirikari cia kaunti icio ciaga kurumbuia mabataro ma arigitani acio na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka muthenya wa kana kiumia giki makorwo mehariirie arwaru guthinika tondu matikaroka wira.
They will force the doctors, as much as they're willing to go to work, they'll be forced to boycott and to demonstrate to the counties to demand their monies from the governors. Because otherwise, there's no any way they can go to work or they can be able to survive to maintain the lifestyle.
Igeria ritu ria kwaraniria na maafitha imwe cia kaunti iria iragwetwo atitirihite marigitari ni ririgire ihiga. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.